we have learned how to use the roll paper release tools. And first, we put the release tools into the printer. Holding the red mark. Okay. Now we find a A4 art paper or thinner paper. Next step is we are using the forward program. The small program we already provide it in your CD. You can find it. Okay, now we use the forward program to make the A4 paper get into the printer. No problem. Okay, take a look at it here. Now we use the release to opening the spring and then lock it. Now the paper can free go through the printer. So now we take the roll paper. Insert through the printer. The other hand, we take out previous A4 paper. Okay, now you can see we already put the roll paper directly to the printer and then take away the paper release tool. Okay, we can turn on the bacon suck air box to suck the paper plain to come out. Notice you have to adjustment the paper to go straight. Okay.